welcome back. My name is Aishwarya Bhatnagar and I am the part of the company called Gulmohar Decors. So those who are just started watching our videos, for you guys, we are an interior designing firm and we based at Gurgaon and we deal in all Delhi NCR region. So today the video which I'm gonna share on is the topic of the video is basically based on the conversation I had with my friend. Um, that topics actually stuck in my mind, and I thought to make video on this. So before proceeding, I would like to share that particular conversation which makes me to do this video. So that was that. So the time was when I just started Gulmohar Decors, and I was in conversation with my friend, and I was at her home. So me and her was just normally, talking about our careers, how we're gonna grow, and about our life we are going through and everything. So suddenly I just started telling her about my Gulmohar Decors, which just started at that time, and I was telling her about the company, what is my vision, what is my mission, how I started it, and everything. So in between that conversation, she just raised the question that, bro, just tell me one thing, why you wanted to become an entrepreneur in interior designing field? I was like, bro, what are you saying? So she was like, Aishwarya, don't take me wrong, but if you wanted to become an entrepreneur, so you could be in any field, right? So why you wanted to opt for interior design? I took a minute and that made me realize that yes, that's a very positive question from her side, that why I wanted to do an interior designing field. So I took a 2 minute pause and I think about it and got to the conclude that I wanted to be in interior designing field because it gives me happiness. And she was like, how it gives you happiness? So then I told her it gives me happiness by fulfilling others' dreams. Everyone is having dream that I'm gonna have this kind of house, I'm gonna have this kind of office, right? So when we work for our clients, when we work for the people who dream to have that sort of space, and when we fulfill that dream, so the happiness in their eyes, it's like awesome. I can't explain it. So that's also happened in real life as well, that when our client gives us feedback and they are very much happy about from our work, so it gives me immense proud, right? It gives me immense happiness, like, okay, I am fulfilling others' dream. So this is my dream, to fulfill others' dream. So that's why I choose interior designer. जब हम छोटे होते हैं एंड बचपन से अगर आपसे किसी ने पूछा कि बेटा आपको क्या चाहिए, तो सब लोग बोलते हैं कि बच्चे छोटे छोटे तो होते हैं बट उनके दिमाग में भी होता है कि मेरा अपना एक सुंदर सा घर हो, मेरा गाड़ी हो, बंगला हो, राइट, मैं ऐसे घर सजाऊँ, दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. तो जब हम उनके बचपन के सपनों को पूरा करते हैं, दैट वाज अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर अस. So that's why I wanted to become an entrepreneur in interior design. So she was quite happy with my answer, and then she again raised a question that, okay, fine, I got your point that you wanted to become an interior designer in this field because of this reason. Fine. But madam, just tell me one thing, that as a woman, we can design our homes by ourselves. So why do we need you guys? And I was totally stuck. Okay, this question is really makes me thinking that yes, why would, as a woman, why would I pay you for the designing which I can do? I can design my home in my own way. I don't need someone else to design my home. So for that, I gave her a brilliant example which satisfied her. And she was like, यार मैं तेरे से ज़रूर अपना घर का डिज़ाइन करवाऊँ. So ये भी हमें देखना होता है कि प्रोफेशनल्स की ज़रूरत क्यों है. तो उसके लिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल we all have a toolkits at our homes, right? Which consist of screwdrivers, hathodi, pliers, nails and everything. But when it comes to the detailing part, you have to call a professional. Same is like that, be interior designers or any other professionals. जब आपको घर बनाना होता है तो उसमें सिर्फ एक डिज़ाइनिंग काफ़ी नहीं है कि आपने सिर्फ इतना पेंट करा लिया, आपने ये बेड्स फर्नीचर लगवा दिए, आपने एक साइड सोफ़ा लगवा दिया, टेबल लगवा दिया, दैट्स इट. उसका डिटेलिंग का काम एक प्रोफेशनल कर सकता है. जैसे स्पेस कैसे है, किस तरीके से हम स्पेसेस का यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी गोना डू लाइटिंग किस तरीके से करें कि हम एक चीज़ को उभार सकें, राइट? क्या लाइन्स हैं उसके, क्या फॉर्म्स हैं उसके, क्या टेक्सचर्स हैं उसके, क्या पैटर्न्स हैं उसके. सो इन एलिमेंट्स को फोकस में रखते हुए वी डिज़ाइनर्स डू अवर. एंड कुछ हमारे प्रिंसिपल्स भी होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि हम लोग बैलेंस कैसे बना के रखें, कि हर विजुअल बैलेंस होना चाहिए. यही नहीं कि ऊपर नीचे हो बट उसमें भी बैलेंस हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम फोटोग्राफ्स लगवाते हैं तो ऊपर नीचे के साथ साथ उसमें बैलेंस भी होना चाहिए. बैलेंस कैसे हो, कौन से एरिया को हम फोकस करें, कौन से एरिया के साथ हम लोग कॉन्ट्रास्ट प्ले करें, किस तरीके से हम क्रिएटिविटी लेके आए, किस किस पोजीशन के साथ हम लोग कलर पार्ट प्ले करें, कहाँ पे कौन सा फर्नीचर आएगा, पूरी डिटेलिंग पार्ट. एंड सबसे बड़ी चीज़, एंड अप विद हार्मनी एंड यूनिटी. कि हर चीज़ की एक रिदम के साथ, एक यू कैन से रिदम के साथ हम लोग जो है प्ले करके एक डिज़ाइन आपको प्रेजेंट करें. एंड दैट टू बी इन 2D एंड 3D ऑटोकैड, जिससे आपको आसानी रहती है ये देखने में कि ओके दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माई होम डेकोर. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू नीड अ प्रोफेशनल. बिना प्रोफेशनल्स के वी वोंट बी एबल टू do that much detail. So for that we need a good design for our space. So I hope आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि why you need a professional interior designer to design your homes, right? And I'm also hoping that I'm gonna get good deals from your side, right? So it's time for me to sign out, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Like on Facebook, follow on Insta and subscribe on YouTube channel. So I will be back with another video, and your suggestions are valuable to us. If you have any suggestions, please let us know. And if you wanted us to to make a video on certain topics, you can also tell us. We'll definitely gonna do that. And till the time, stay safe, stay at home, and please take precautions for those areas जहाँ पे lockdowns open हो चुके हैं. Please don't take it very casual. Lockdowns are open and you can do whatever you want. अभी कोरोना गया नहीं है, so we have to take precaution. We have to stay healthy, and we have to be at home as much as we can. So Until the time, bye bye, take care, and I'll meet you soon with my next video.